What is your will, my master?
Hey, good morning, William. Quick demo for you for your custom flagship that you sent me. I got this in the mail yesterday and also got it done yesterday evening. It is installed the Proffie that you provided. Actually, you provided the Proffie and the speaker and the CC Sabers lit PCB, right? And also the switch. So I just provided the chassis, the install service, and I gave you this brass tactile back here for your auxiliary switch right here, which is working well, right? This also looks like it's got the this thumb screw by Robert Sotomayor over at Lightsaber, so that's really nice for blade retention. How you get to everything is just want to unscrew the handle. We'll do that real quick. When you take this off, and then here's the chassis I came up with for you. Just try to loosely, try to mimic your handle, but stay within the PLA parameters that I thought would still look good, when I printed these details. So that's what I did there. You got a removable battery setup, spring side over here, your Proffie board up top. Now this one is just a snap fit down into the shelf. These Dark Wolf Proffies are just a hair wider. I mean, just a hair wider than the other ones that I use. So I was able to do a snap fit into the chassis and not adhere it down. But you can do everything you want to do from here and not ever move your board. So you've got SD card and micro USB access, and then of course your Smuggler's Outpost speaker, 20 millimeters right here. It had a lot of sound fonts on it already, but your SD card was a bit corrupt. It was not reading in the Proffie correctly. So I just copied everything over to a SanDisk SD card that you can see right here. And now everything is fine. Okay. Let's throw a battery in this guy real quick. Just like that. Snaps in there nice and tight. And we'll throw your handle on. And we could turn this on. Oh, nice and loud. Auxiliary. And you've got twist off features, so we'll throw a blade in here. We'll go over a few of these sound fonts. Not all of them, because you do have quite a few. We'll just go over a few so that you can see everything is working like it should. And we will lock this blade down. Go another sound font. So you got good flash on flash. Blade lock up. Sound check. Turn that off and go to another one.
Disgraceful. Just a simple wanderer. I'm right.
Blade lock up. And we'll turn that off and we'll do one more.
It is the dark saber.
Nice shine through in your glass eye. Just like that. We'll take the blade out. So yeah, everything in here is working like it should. Come over here and take the battery out, which is really easy to do, right? Just take the handle off. From the positive side of the battery over here by the speaker, you can pop it out with your finger just like that. And that's pretty much your flagship. Let me know if you got any questions. And if not, this guy will go out in the mail to you Tuesday because Monday is a holiday. All right, thanks.